All right, Travis, please introduce yourself and tell us the symptoms that you were experiencing before becoming a patient.
Well, my name is Travis. Before I started experiencing treatment and care with Chase, I was experiencing pain all over. My back was tensed up every day, and I couldn't find a way to relax. I was getting pains down my neck that I just couldn't seem to fix, and I, try to do whatever I could, whether it be cracking it because I thought that was the best idea. I was going to other chiropractors thinking that they were going to fix it, but it would always get worse, things like that.
So, Travis, how long would you say you've been having these symptoms, and how have they been affecting your personal and work life?
Well, I've been experiencing symptoms as far back probably as I can remember. I'd say I am 22 currently. Probably for the last 5 to 6 years I was experiencing issues. I would get home from work and realize that my body was aching so bad, and it would just get worse and worse every day. Basically from there, I just enough was enough for me, and I gave up, and I thought it was never going to get better.
For sure. All right, Travis. So, what forms of relief did you try for these symptoms and condition before coming into our office?
Well, I was going to other chiropractors, trying to endure care with them. And it seemed like every time I was going in, multiple times a week, I was getting adjusted every single time. It seemed like nothing was getting better. The pain was still unbearable day after day. Basically, and I was trying other, sleep methods with, the way I was sleeping, position, pillows, anything I could think of to try and make it better.
Yeah, for sure. And what finally made you decide to come into our office?
Well, I actually met Dr. Chase out at a public event here in town, basically, and we set up our booths next to each other, and we kind of hit it off because I figured, well, it's chiropractic. It's maybe he's the one for me, or I could try and see what he's got to offer, and and basically he talked to me, and he brought me into the office. We did a consultation, and next thing I know, I'm on the ball with getting my treatment and my care, ready to go.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I remember that after that very first adjustment, Travis, do you remember what you felt after that first correction?
Well, I felt, like $1 million. It was something that, I had clearness and clarity just running through my body after, I was adjusted, and I felt like I actually found something that was worth relief and what worked for me.
Awesome. And last question here, Travis, is you've been a patient now for 3 to 4 months. Go ahead and share with us a little bit more about some of the results that you have noticed over these last 3 to 4 months.
Well, I've been sleeping better. Waking up is worthwhile. I don't have pains getting out of bed anymore. Just going to work and enjoying your day to the fullest because you feel physically capable of doing it. Basically, I just now, I don't even want to look back. Yeah.
Awesome. That's exciting.